Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'm back with a brand new video. So guys, today I'll talk about a new project, new platform. So guys, today this project name is OjaCoin. So guys, all of you already see that I'm already on the front page of the OjaCoin. So guys, today I'll talk about the project. The project name is OjaCoin. So I'm already on the front page of the ojacoin.org. You can see this link on my description box, this video description box also. So guys, what is OjaCoin? OjaCoin is a new definition of decentralized blockchain. So guys, OjaCoin is a blockchain based cryptocurrency. OjaCoin is also a blockchain based cryptocurrency token. OjaCoin launches a new blockchain. If you already know about blockchain, I think we know about that blockchain. So guys, it's like BNB, Ethereum, Polygon type of blockchain. So guys, here you can see that some benefits, some big thing about this project. Here you can see that fast transaction under 45 seconds on average. So guys, if you transaction via this OjaCoin, you need only 45 seconds. It's under very lower time in other blockchain takes usually 2 to 3 minutes, but OjaCoin only takes only 45 seconds average. So guys, here you can see the almost zero transaction fees. Here you can see that 0.0001 OJA, that means it's under 1 cent, it's a very little amount, very like that, almost zero. It's like that, almost zero. So guys, OjaCoin blockchain needs fees is under almost zero fees. Here you can be benefited by, if you use this blockchain, you can benefited by also this, because this blockchain has only zero fees, that almost zero fees. Here you can see that World-class security award winning algorithm. Here you can also benefited by world-class security based issue platform. Here you can see that environment friendly. Here you can also the environment of this project is very friendly. So guys, here you can see that more about this project. Here you can see that the ultimate comparison between the others blockchain and the OjaCoin blockchain. Here you can see that Bitcoin usually takes 10 minutes to 60 minutes, where Ethereum takes 5 to 60 minutes, where BNB take 5 minutes to 30 minutes, but OjaCoin is only takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. So guys, it's a very under very lower time, very lower time, very fastest transaction based project, very fast transaction based blockchain OjaCoin. Here you can see the transaction fee. It's the basic of time confirmation of time. And now I telling about the transaction fees about the top 4 blockchain based project. Now here you can see that Bitcoin takes 23 to 30 dollars, Ethereum takes 15 to 25 dollars, while BNB takes 0.32 to 0.45 USD cents. There OjaCoin only takes 0.00001 USD. So that means it's a very cheap amount, very lower amount. So guys, here you can know that OjaCoin is the only one and only one blockchain that is under lower fees. It's like also 0.00001 USD. So guys, it's a very brilliant plan, very brilliant engagement about their about OjaCoin. So guys, here you can see that some other features. Here you can see that energy efficient, environment friendly. Here you can see that energy efficient, how it's working. Oja was built as a green blockchain with an environmental impact focus from the very beginning. Oja far more energy efficient than other blockchains. So OjaCoin has the more energy efficient other blockchain. So it's the very good point, very good thing for the OjaCoin and the Ojacoin investor also. So here you can see that our commitment to suitable blockchain. So their commitment, their dream, their aim is to sustainable to create a sustainable blockchain. So here you can see that everything we make has an impact on people and the planet. Learn more about our environmental and social responsibility program. So here you can know about the more social responsibility program about the Ojacoin. So guys, here you can see that the more information about the Ojacoin. Here you can see that personal secure wallet stores safely, make payments and earn rewards. Here you can earn rewards if you store your funds. If you stake your funds, here you can earn some rewards. Here you can see that experience blockchain technology in the easiest way. You can also use Oja wallet 24/7 and transfer funds at very low transaction fees at a high speed and earn rewards. So guys, it's a very good thing. I think right now all of the blockchain has very takes very times, and also the fees is now very high. So therefore Ojacoin is the brilliant choice for all of the people, all of the crypto investor, all of the crypto influencer also. So guys, here you can see that a database, a graph of the diagram of the Ojacoin wallet. So here you can see that the Ojacoin wallet system. So guys, here you can create a Oja wallet. I will show you another video about how to create Oja wallet. So I will discuss about today only Ojacoin website, Ojacoin how working this material, this issue. So guys, here you can see that limited time get free Ojacoin and start rewarding your customer. Here you can see that the limited edition program is set to support good hearted local and digital brands to give their customers complaints and Ojacoin. If you join now, you can get some reward from here. Here you can see that power your business with Oja. Increase your customer loyalty by rewarding your customers with Ojacoin. Join our merchant program. So Ojacoin has a merchant program also. So guys, it's a very good project. It's a very brilliant project. I think all of you can purchase this token on their public pre-sale. Here you can see that the public pre-sale status. Here you can know more about that. Be early supporter of the future. The future is now. The future is Oja energy efficient all plus fast transaction, almost zero transaction fee. So here you can know more about the Ojacoin. Here you can see the Oja globally community. The Oja community is a globally distributed home to coin holders, developers, miners and partners. So here you can see the connect with Oja global community. So guys, if you have any inquiry about Ojacoin, Ojacoin project, Ojacoin blockchain, so you can ask easily from their global community. If you put in English, you can ask your origin and your country specific languages. Here you can see that Australia, Bangladesh, China, India, all of the countries are available in Ojacoin community telegram channel. So guys, here you can see that more and more groups about Ojacoin community in global community and the global community. Here you can see that if you want to know more about the update about the Ojacoin, you can also join their Discord also. So guys, here you can see that some news about the Ojacoin. Here you can see that 1 lakhs Oja community campaign giveaway has started already. Here you can see that the some news about the Ojacoin. So guys, here you can see that their telegram, their Twitter, Discord, Facebook, Instagram. So guys, if you want to know more about their project, you can also follow their project via their social media also. So guys, here you can see that main thing, the future is now, the future is Oja. So guys, this I appreciate this talk, and it's a very good talk I think, because the future is Oja, because it has a very lower time transaction confirmation, and it's very a lower fees also. So guys, it's a very good project I think. So guys, it's also available GitHub, web browser, Mac, Windows, Linux. So guys, Ojacoin is a very good project. If you invest in this project, I think you will be benefited in future, I think, because this project is looking very good and very best in for future. So guys, if you have any inquiry, you can also ask here via their chat. Here you can see that a chatting system is also here. If you have any query, you can ask here anything about OjaCoin. If you have face any problem, any issue, you can ask here. So guys, that's all of my video. I'll show you how to purchase this token, how to create Oja wallet in another video. So guys, that's all of my tonight. So I hope of all of you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, you can purchase this token, because the token future is very good and bright. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you all.